Hi friends, hope you're all doing good. Okay, today's recipe is a simple one from South Indian cuisine. We are going to make coconut chutney. This chutney or condiment is served with all the South Indian breakfast dishes and snacks. It's a very easy one with just few ingredients. So let's proceed to make the coconut chutney. We have taken 1 cup of roasted gram and 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 or 2 green chillies as you like, small piece of ginger and salt to taste. And for tempering we have curry leaves and red chillies and half teaspoon each of mustard seeds, cumin seeds, urad dal and 2 pinches of Asafoetida and some oil. Now in a mixie grind together coconut, roasted gram, ginger, green chilli, adding sufficient water and salt. Remove in a bowl. And now we are going to add the tempering. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a small pan. Add the tempering ingredients. On medium flame, allow them to crackle. Once the color changes, switch it off. Allow it to cool a bit before stirring it into the chutney. In this chutney, do not add the hot tempering ingredients, as the chutney will spoil fast. Now the chutney is ready to be served. Today I am enjoying it with idlis, some steamed idlis. You can also serve it with pongal and instant uttapams. This chutney goes with every dish, ponganalu, appes or paniyaram. And with masala dosa, you can serve the thick version of this chutney. Friends, do subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post a new video. Check out these videos from the archives. You might have missed watching some of them. See you soon with a new recipe. Thank you.